In this video, we're going to cover how to prepare candle data for your trading strategy within BacktestJS. What we're going to cover is how to download candle data automatically from Binance, how to import candle data directly from a CSV, how to view your candles within a chart, how to update candle data, delete downloaded candle data, and export any of this candle data to a CSV. So let's go to download candle data from Binance. We can type in ETH, meaning Ethereum, and this will download the ETH USDT candle data. So that's the same as typing ETH USDT, but you can download any data that Binance has available, for example, ETH BTC. Let's start with the ETH USDT candle data set. These are all the different intervals available within Binance. We can search for the 1 day interval. And now we automatically chooses the most data that he can pull. So if we were to example try the 16th, we can't do that because Binance doesn't have data available on the 16th. So we'll go ahead and do 2018, 1 year after what Binance has available. And we'll choose an end date of 1 year before, well, now, as the default for end date is now. So all that candle data was downloaded and saved to an internal database. We can go to view candle data and see now that we have the Ethereum candle on the 1 day from 2018 until 2023. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it in the chart. So okay, we have a nice chart that we can look at of our various candle data. If we go to update, we can update anytime from the start or anytime from the after. So we have about a year's worth of data that we can pull as Binance has it available. So let's go to update, and we're going to add a new start time, so yes. And let's go ahead and download all the available start time data available. So that's 1 year's worth of data. Okay, so now you can see we pulled that 1 year's worth of data from 2017 to 2018. We're still missing about a year's worth of data at the end time. So let's take a look at update and add a new start time. No, we're going to add a new end time. And instead of pulling all the data, let's go back a few months. And we'll go ahead and run that and see that we pulled that extra data. We also have this top up feature. And now this will pull all the remaining data from what you have until now. So we have about 2 more months of data that we can pull. So let's hit top up. And great, we pulled those extra 2 months of data automatically. Let's go back and back. And this time let's import candle data from a CSV. Let's take a look at the backtestjs.com website. What I went to is this documentation, historical candle data, and import candle data from CSV. Under the about, we have a link to Yahoo Finance. I click that, and I'm going to type in the Tesla symbol. Now Yahoo Finance is just one site of many where you can download historical data to a CSV. So let's go over to historical data, and I'm going to pull the 5 years worth of data on the 1 day interval. Apply that and then download it. Great. So now that it's downloaded, we can start the import process. So the first he's going to ask for is the base name. In our case, it's TSLA, as that's Tesla. And then the next thing he's going to ask for is the quote name. In our case, we're using USD as the quote. So we'll put in USD. And now we have a full symbol of Tesla USD. We downloaded the 1 day, so let's do a quick search for 1 day. And now let's give the full path to our CSV. You can also drag and drop your file into here, as it's a little bit easier. And now it's going to say that he found some mandatory params and some non-mandatory params as well. Let's go into what that kind of means. So in our file, in our website, we can go to preparing the CSV file, and the CSV must contain the following fields, and the other fields are optional, nice to have. Okay, So in this case, we have all the mandatory fields. We have one optional field and 3 optional fields that we are not going to have within this import. So we can go ahead and click yes to importing. And just like that, all the 5 years were imported into the internal database. We can go to view, and now we have our Tesla symbol on the 1 day with that 5 years of data. Let's take a look inside. We can view the candles over here. So now we can see it nice and pretty within our browser. We can download that candle data as a CSV, but we just imported it from CSV, so I guess we wouldn't want to do that. And let's take a look back. So we'll take a look at our Ethereum candle data. We've updated it and done everything else like this. In this case, it was downloaded from Binance, so maybe you want to export it to CSV and use it in a different application or for whatever you want. So let's go to download data as CSV, and that data was sent to a ./CSV folder named with ETH/USDT 1 day. So if we go inside of our BacktestJS folder, we have this CSV folder with ETH/USDT downloaded to it. Great. Lastly, the last thing you can do is delete the candles. So we can go to delete, and now the Ethereum candle data has been deleted, and all that we have is the Tesla data. This has been everything regarding historical candle data and BacktestJS. I really hope you liked the video. Please give a like, a comment, or subscribe. We're constantly releasing new videos with new strategies to try.